Civil engineer reacts to third toilet or the transgender issue that was 1 week ago. Muriak ko kay there's also an infrastructure side in this topic. Not just the fact that there has to be a third toilet to accommodate the transgenders. Real life experience. Naka-experience jud ko ana kay I went inside the men's room, and then when I went inside, there's this a tall person with long straight black hair and very slim body. And I thought nisulod ko sa wrong room. So nitanaw ko na agi. Okay, I'm inside the men's room, and it felt so awkward for me. I felt really awkward. Mura kog naluoy kay there she is, looking like a real woman, but she's not accepted inside the women's room, and she may feel awkward. Unya, mura kog naluoy kay dapat I thought, inside me, kaingon ko nga dapat na sila ilahang room, na sila ilahang toilet. But if this trans woman will have their own trans women have their own toilets, it means the trans man should have theirs also. Kay trans men feel like men, trans women feel like women, and women don't want men inside a women's room. Men really don't care. I mean, ako wala mo ko naluoy ko, pero I went ahead and did my business. Ang mga babae, I don't think they will feel that comfortable inside. Okay, let's be honest, when we are inside the toilet or the men's or women's room, we let our guards down and let all our toxins go away. Ma-stress ta, mosulod ta sa CR. Kailakon ta, mosulod ta sa CR. Kalibangon ta, mosulod ta sa CR. So it's a place of comfort, literally. That's why it's called comfort room. And it's not a very comforting thought when there's a trans woman inside in behalf of the women. I'm not speaking for all of the women, but in behalf of them. They may, I don't know what they exactly feel, they may feel uncomfortable when there's a transgender woman inside. Talking about the infrastructure, it's not very ideal for the contractor to build a separate comfort room for the minority. Dili siya ideal kay dili man siya pirmi magamit, and there are fewer transgenders in this country than there are straight men and women. There are few gays and lesbians in this country, and there are even fewer transgenders. So I don't think mopabor nga buhato na siya, especially when most of the building owners are straight people and are very, very religious. You know why? Because they are old people. Most building owners are old people and religious nuts. They don't believe in transgenders in the same way they don't believe in depression. That's another topic. There's a very fine line in the approval of that bill. Acceptance, we need acceptance. The open-mindedness is there. We can't. It's too much work to renovate a building to accommodate a third toilet. The plumbing system will have to be changed. The architectural side, the mechanical side, electrical side. Too much work. And I don't think, I have to be honest with you, if I was the contractor or I was the building owner, I don't think I will do that for the minority. I mean, please forgive me, but I don't think I will spend money for that for a few. We build buildings, we build structures, we build businesses for the masses, all right? So when there's a huge clamor for a Pag-asa pawn shop or a Jollibee or a wet market, if there's a huge clamor, all right, for a certain area, the government or the contractor or a businessman will of course accommodate that. But if there's in this case, if there's a huge clamor to build a transgender comfort room, but it's divided into few areas. So that's my take as a civil engineer, not a lawmaker. I'm just a very friendly civil engineer.